we're gonna make Mama's carrots, which is a traditional Bi-Rite dish, but really it came from your family, right?
It's like one of those dishes I just love to make. It's been on our holiday menu for the last dozen years. My mom prefers to blanch the carrots, so she boils them in boiling water with salt. At the store, we actually like roasting them. It brings out deeper flavor. This is called a roll cut. So you do the first cut, and then you roll a carrot about a quarter of the way, and then you do the next cut, and then next cut, and next cut, and keep rolling and cutting. And then you end up with these really misshapen, kind of not very uniform, but lots of like little edges to them that catch the sauce. And this sauce is super simple to make. It's literally only 5 or 6 ingredients. And it's got half a cup of tahini. I love the Tarazi brand. We also sell another brand called Soom that's just fantastic. Juice of 3 lemons, quarter cup of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic that I've smashed and chopped until super fine, and then about a quarter cup of Italian parsley. And then just mix that up. And then I'm just gonna pour that right over these carrots. And then Patrick, why don't you grab that spoon and mix it all up. Mm-hmm. Be generous with the sauce. The idea is that these carrots are nice and wet and just juicy.
And Sam, you blanched these carrots last night, correct?
I did. Again, it's all about making Thanksgiving easy, and I try to get as much of my prep work done ahead of time. And so I washed, cut, and blanched the carrots the night before. They had a chance to cool down and chill overnight, and all I got to do the next day is pull them out, get them to room temperature, mix my dressing really quick. You can even make the dressing ahead of time. Give it a little taste.
It's awesome.
It makes me so happy.
Your mom would be proud.
Yeah, totally.